Welcome to the Blue Team series video on behavioral analytics and UEBA. Modern attackers often use legitimate credentials and blend into normal activity to bypass traditional defenses. Behavioral analytics and UEBA are key to detecting these subtle threats. User and Entity Behavior Analytics, or UEBA, monitors users, devices, applications, and systems to detect deviations from established normal behavior, moving beyond known attack signatures. UEBA detects unusual login locations, suspicious file access, abnormal data transfers, and unexpected administrative activity. User behavior analytics systems collect telemetry on user activities like logins, app usage, and network behavior to learn what normal looks like for each user. This includes consistent login patterns, expected application usage, and normal network behavior. When behavior changes dramatically, the system generates alerts for investigation. Anomaly detection identifies activity that significantly deviates from established behavioral baselines. This surfaces threats that bypass signature-based defenses. Examples of anomalies include unusual country logins, large data transfers, excessive privilege usage, sudden admin activity, and unusual access times. Insider threats are challenging because employees, contractors, and vendors already have legitimate access. This makes malicious or negligent activity hard to detect. Insider threats can manifest as data theft, privilege abuse, sabotage, or policy violations. Establishing behavioral baselines defines normal operational behavior for users and systems. Accurate baselines are essential for reliable anomaly detection. Baselines include typical login times, normal geographic locations, average data usage, and expected communication patterns. Well-tuned baselines improve detection accuracy and reduce alert fatigue. UEBA platforms assign dynamic risk scores to users and entities to help security teams prioritize the most dangerous threats. Risk levels escalate from low risk, such as a single failed login, to critical risk, involving privilege escalation and data exfiltration patterns. Risk-based analysis ensures analysts focus on the highest impact threats. While powerful, behavioral analytics is not perfect, and legitimate activity can sometimes trigger false positives. Common false positives include business travel, admin maintenance, large file transfers, and unusual working hours. UEBA is most effective when combined with threat intelligence, detection engineering, and strong society operations. Behavioral analytics is a core pillar of modern cybersecurity, integrated across major defensive functions. It plays a key role in society operations, identity security, insider threat programs, cloud security, threat hunting, and fraud detection. Modern defense relies on understanding how users and systems behave, not just what malware looks like. UEBA detects deviations, anomaly detection surfaces threats, baselines define normal behavior, and risk scoring prioritizes dangerous activity. Up next in this series is Digital Forensics and Incident Response, or DFIR, which focuses on building advanced defensive capabilities.